cuts Amtrak, Capital Corridor train, 741. San Jose Theater now, 2002 leads off of this one. What, 6964, Port Arena. Alright, there it goes to San Jose. Thank you for watching. Folks, this is Amtrak San Joaquin Train 716 to Bakersfield with a Point Bonita leads off 6962. Alongside with F59 PHI 2003. That's a good match. Alright, there it goes, folks. On to Bakersfield. Alright, folks, this is Amtrak San Joaquin Train 713 to the Oakland Jet London Square, Oakland. Here it comes. F59 PHI. That sounds like 2014. 2014 when 8302 Mount Shasta. Alright folks, there go that train going to the Oakland Jet London Square Station. I'm Marcel Hall, thank you for watching. Bye. Alright folks, here comes Amtrak Capital Corridor train 732 on its way to Sacramento. Now, Eckley Pier right now. Eckley Pier. 8312 Mount Inyo leads off of this one. Mount Inyo Face coming up. That's an 8312. There it is. Way down there coming. Once again, this is Amtrak 732 Capital Corridor train to Sacramento. With a cement charger in the back. I think it's 2103. 12 Mount Inyo. With 2103 SC44. That is KJ's favorite charger. Alright, that train is going to Sacramento. Thank you for watching. Still more to come. Bye-bye. Alright folks, here comes Amtrak Capital Corridor train 734. Final destination of that train is Sacramento. Here it comes now. Eckley Pier right now. Eckley Pier. Cat car is 6965. Point St. George leading this one off. Let me zoom in one more time. Point St. George leading this one off in this set. And there it is. 6965. F59 2005 with that. And there it goes. Off to Sacramento. I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good one. Bye. Alright, this is Capital Corridor 743 2006. That's the same set I wrote on 728. I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good one. Bye. Alright folks, here comes Amtrak Capital Corridor train 736. Final destination of the train is Sacramento and Auburn. Here it comes. Looks like 8314 Mount Pinos leaves off. 2124 with that. Woo-ha! There go that train, folks. It is on its way to Auburn. Alright, I am Marcel Hall. Have a good one. Still more to come at Eckley Pier Railfanning. Stay tuned.